DO3 Lawrence Addo in Amasaman West Municipality. We have decided to embark on another simulation exercise, which has been a periodic activity in Amasaman Municipality. This has been necessary because there has been rampant fire outbreaks, and we thought it wise that, assuming we are always battling with fire outbreaks and there has been any accident or casualty in any malls, what could be our response? So the safety team sat down, prepared ourselves very well to see how we'll be able to prepare ourselves in case of any eventuality. So that has brought about this simulation exercise. And since it's not the first time, now we are going to China Mall. The main reason for embarking on this one, just to ascertain, as I said, how prepared the security men are, how prepared the mall people are, the supervisors and everyone. In case there is any outbreak, what are they going to do?
Let's go. Don't panic. Emergency, don't panic. They're from Ghana Champagne Service. Is anyone here? Can you hear my voice? Is anyone here? We have finished what we are doing, and I want to assure you that the place is safe for every activity. So now, those who have come to buy can go in and buy. Those who have come to converse can also go on and converse. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Just saw a simulation exercise at the Amasaman Chinese Mall. The essence of this exercise is to create the awareness of fires at places like this, and by means that we can evacuate or get everyone out when it happens in the real situations. We did rescue a lot of people, and we also managed to get people out of the mall. Let me emphasize, all the people out of the mall to a safer place within a period of time. A lot of questions have been asked, and those who asked the questions have had their answers. It is our prayer that whatever we did here and whatever people learned from us this morning will be replicated everywhere. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
My name is Yowan Nansen, Amasaman District Commander. Because of the Easter festivities, we are embarking on fire safety. We are doing simulation exercises in the malls and others. I hope when my men are at your end, you welcome them so that they can discharge their duties. We want safety-free for the Easter festivities. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm DO3 Daniel Lati, in charge of operations and training, Amasama Municipal Fire Station. This morning, I'm happy you all witnessed the simulation exercise at China Mall, organized by the Safety Department of this good office. The main aim of organizing this simulation exercise is that sometimes when there is a disaster in any institution or workplaces, the occupants find it difficult to move from a point in danger to a safety place. So we have to move from shop to shop institutions to educate them, let them know how to evacuate or how to move from a point in danger to a safety place. That is what we witnessed here this morning at the China Mall. And we could all attest that some of the workers, when alarm was sound, they even didn't know what to do. Meanwhile, we'll be going there to train them what to do. But today, it looks as if they didn't know what is going on. So this has alerted us that we have to be going there often and often to train them, to team their mind that when they are there and the alarm is sound, the fire alarm is sound, they have to move very fast to the assembly point, put in the safety place to avoid stampede and other things that can cause harm to their lives. As far as service, our duty to save life and property. Life is very important. That is the reason why we are trying to educate them. Not only China Mall, but we are moving to other places too, to educate them so that they will know that in case of any disaster, they shouldn't wait for fire service to come and rescue them. But the moment they hear the fire alarm at that premises, that building, immediately they have to evacuate. And as fire service, as our duty is to save life and properties, we are also trying to see how best we'll be able to save life and to educate the public. Because when we are able to educate them, they will understand and know what to do when there is an emergency or a disaster. That's what we are trying to do. From here, we will move to other schools and other institutions to educate them on what to do. That is not only fire that we attend, but any disaster, any accident, the duty of the fire service to move them to go and save life and property. So we are there. Our doors are always open. If you don't understand anything, you just come to our office. We'll advise you on what to do, especially those who are using cars without fire extinguishers. When there's fire outbreak in your car, now that you are going to look for sun to put it off or stand somewhere and call fire service. Yes, you have to call fire service, but try and get the necessary extinguishing medium to extinguish it. And when we come and you extinguish it, we'll say, Ayako, work done for what you have done. And if we get there and it's still in progress, then it's our duty, we'll try and then extinguish it. And we'll continue doing that to make our work very effective and to raise the image of the Ghana National Fire Service, precisely Amasama Fire Station. Thank you so much.
The municipal command, led by the safety team, the DO3 Lorenzado, together with the regional safety, EOC Wusu, arrived at China Mall. The team were able to rescue 11 people, and they were all treated and discharged successfully. And we thank each and everyone for coming, and those who participated also made the simulation exercise very, very successful. Anytime you hear of any sound, whether alarm, whether siren, whatever being the system, especially alarm systems in the mall, please stop whatever you are doing, go out from the premises and stay safe at your assembling point. Not only at the malls, even in the house. When you are in your house and you hear of a siren, please, whatever you are doing, come outside a bit, just a brief. Come and have a look at what is happening outside. Probably it could be your house or it could be your shop. You might not know who will be the next victim. But since you are here, I will advise you, anytime you hear of it, stay calm, walk briskly from the mall and come outside. So that if you come out and there is nothing at stake, you can go back and continue whatever you are doing. But your life is more important than the items that you are going to buy. So please, value your life and save your family. I thank you for hearing us and understanding our work. Fire is all about protecting your property and save life.